Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Sam back from the video. Sorry for that slight delay. I had to open up my window. This little black thing right here is the microphone. So yeah, today I have something in the mail that I thought was gonna come for a long time. It's not my phone. It's not a remote control. It's not my iPod. One of my iPods. It is. Let's move all this aside. It's that package sitting right there. And I actually ordered this off a website called Points to Shop. If you don't know what Points to Shop is, it's a website where you earn points by doing surveys and ads and watching ads and stuff like that. And you order stuff off of Amazon and or eBay. Now this was only a couple dollars, so it was only a couple hundred points. So let's get to the unboxing of this if I can figure out how to open it. Okay, let me just get a knife real fast. Oh God. It should be somewhere. Where's my knife? I don't have my knife, so maybe we might have to, let's compromise. Okay. My keys. I do have my keys in my backpack. I just got home from school. Just had a high school rally. Kind of stupid, but yeah. So, yeah, compromising. It always works good. Just got home from high school. I'm all hella tired. I am sorry, this will not open. Give me 1 second, I will be right back. You can look at my lovely phone and or my iPod. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go to the other room real fast. Hey, what's up? YouTube, I'm back. As you can see, I got a knife. I did get a kitchen knife though because I could not find my pocket knife to save my life. But this works just as fine. I'm gonna cut this on the side so you guys don't see my information, if it'll even come off on the side. It's all taped right here, which makes me to believe. Oh my God! I didn't even need the knife. There's a little tab you pull. Maybe. Yep, it's right here. Oh God! Don't want you guys to see that information. But I don't want to cut the item that's inside. As you can see, is the inside. So let's take out the first thing that I see, which is the genuine Apple classic USB 2.0 charger. As you can see, it is the fat end, and it is a classic one. Let me take my blinds down so you guys see that a little better. Okay, so we do have it does say USB 2.0 right there. You guys can't see that probably. Let me pull this off somehow. I don't know, but it does say USB 2.0. It is the old, that one. Let me pull out this little piece of plastic. It is the old one, the old classic one that came with like this iPod. So you just plug it in, and you pull the two tabs on the side to take it out. And this is the genuine, sorry. This is the genuine one though. So yeah, that's basically it. That's what I got off of eBay with Points to Shop points. Let me check to see if there's anything else in this thing. Okay, there's a little note inside of here. Let me just throw this to the side and open this note. Basically it just says, its shipping information, and thank you. So yeah, I guess it cost me a couple hundred points, but I guess it cost them about $6. But it's all good. Yeah, rate, comment, subscribe. Peace out.